Hi guys, and welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. Now you're on here because you're probably asking, can I do affiliate marketing without a website? And the answer to that is yes, you can. So even though it's good to have a website because to have a capture page, but actually there are even tools out there that have that platform for you, that basically there are platforms out there that give you a website, that give you all of that. For example, like ClickFunnels is super I don't even know how to talk today. ClickFunnels is basically a platform where it has the whole it has built-in websites and lists and all of that. There's so much in ClickFunnels. But yeah, in a nutshell, I mean, obviously that's not what you want to know. Right now, you want to know, can you do affiliate marketing without a website? And the answer is yes. There are people that are doing it, and people are making money from it, and it's very simple and easy to do. All you simply need is to be able to drive traffic through YouTube videos. So basically, there are actually people making a full-time living online by just driving their affiliate. Well, they create a YouTube video, drive affiliate links to that. Okay, I'm getting confused. Okay, they have a YouTube video, and basically how they promote their affiliate links is by putting the link under this description, that whatever they're promoting. Okay, so it doesn't matter what affiliate program you're with. You can be with Amazon, you can be with ClickBank, you can be selling digital products, and you don't. It's not. This doesn't just work with affiliate marketing. It also works in promoting your own product or promoting your own business opportunity. And I don't know if you've ever heard of CPA marketing, but that's another very good way to make money per lead. Okay, that's not even a sale. That's just for when someone signs up. Like, how easy is that? It's so easy to generate a lead than it is to actually close a sale and make a sale. So the list is endless. Okay, and when it comes to YouTube marketing is a very, very powerful way that you can make a killing with affiliate marketing without having a website. Okay, it's always good to have a website, because if you have a website, you have a capture page, people can sign up to that capture page and you build your list that way. Okay, but you don't have to be building your list. You can be very much making money without building the list. Okay, it's always good to build a list. You know why? Because when you build a list, you have a database of people that you can literally just email anytime and make profits. Okay, especially when you have built like a bunch of followers, or a bunch of people that are interested in your content or the value that you're providing and stuff like that. Think about it. When you've got your list, I mean, in a way, your YouTube subscribers are also your list as well. Okay, but we can't completely rely on social media platforms because they can close down anytime. But with our list, it's like you've kind of I guess your email marketing platform can also close down as well. So, but you have more control over those subscribers because they're not just in one place, put it that way. Okay, so they're not just on YouTube, but you've also got an email list. You've got a place where, for example, if your YouTube channel shuts down, YouTube decide to cancel your account or whatever, then you've always got a list to be promoting and still making money with, and it's much easier to build. If you've lost something, God forbid, if someone has millions of YouTube subscribers and then all of a sudden they lose their account or whatever, if they had a list, they can quite quickly build that back up, build it back up. But if you don't have anything, you have to build it from scratch, and that's going to take time. But in a nutshell, you can definitely make money without having a website with affiliate marketing. You can, and there are a lot of people that are doing it. If you go to my video series on how you can make money with affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, and YouTube, and basically you're promoting your affiliate marketing products on YouTube, and you have all of these, they're kind of like, you have these really small advertising YouTube clips that rank on the first page of Google and YouTube, and when people buy from you, you make the commission. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Yes, you can, definitely. And you know, if you want to check out more of my videos, you know, like, comment and subscribe, and check out my Amazon affiliate training series that I did. It's a short 5-video series, but it's packed with valuable content that can literally you know, you can literally apply this today and start making money with affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing. But it doesn't have to be just Amazon. This is not only Amazon. You can do this with anything. If you're with ClickBank, if you're with whatever affiliate marketing company you're with, you can do this and make money with YouTube. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. I'm gonna go. Bye bye.